Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right here. So the Gmail ID you need to add right here has to be the Gmail ID of a particular lost phone. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. After you have successfully add the lost Gmail account of that particular phone to your phone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how we can use that particular Gmail to locate the phone location. So for that, what we want to do is to go back to our profile icon right here, select the lost phone Gmail account. Having selected the lost phone Gmail account, then go ahead and click on the profile icon again. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on security and sign in. Scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to find a lost device. Click on find a lost device. And you will see the data about your phone. What you need to do right here, click on here now to open up the dialog action. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then select the lost phone Gmail account. Go ahead and click on continue with the lost phone Gmail account. Enter the phone security lock pattern. And you will be taken right here. By using Find the Sign Service Ops, simply click on Accept. Then from here, click on here. And while using the app to give access to location, then right here, you will be told the exact where the phone is located. Then from here, you can easily track your phone with your Gmail account. So basically, this is how to find your lost phone location using your Gmail app or your Gmail account. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Find My Device to track your lost phone or with your Gmail account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.